Hey guys, my name is Velma I, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite, I think top 5 favorite foundations from the drugstores. So if you want to see what my favorite foundations are. Also, you might have seen me dressed like this in another video. I just filmed an eyeshadow tutorial. Filmed an eyeshadow look using the new Conspiracy palette, so I don't know which one's gonna go up first, but just in case so you guys know. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. A lot of these are like really old foundations. Yeah, so a lot of these I alternate between all of them, and I love each one for different reasons. But yeah, if you are wondering about foundations from the drugstore, then this video is for you. But one of them is really new. Like, I literally have used it for 2 days, but it made it into the category, so let's get started. So the first one that I really love is this one. They look all gross, so I'm really sorry about that. This is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. I'm in the shade W2.5. Vanilla W2.5, but it does change. I am someone that buys like 2 or 3 of different shades of the same foundation, and I just use them to like make my own shades. I'm gonna put the price up here and just somewhere up here, it's beautiful. I feel like it does have like a medium to full coverage, definitely buildable to fuller coverage, and it looks really pretty on the skin. It's not like super matte and it's not super dewy. It's more on the dewy side. So this one is the regular. I don't know, I know that there's like combo oily skin. I think this is the combo for sure. And the thing that I didn't say about this, the True Match, it breaks me out almost immediately. This breaks me out almost every time I use it, so that's why I kind of want to have to like put him aside. I really love this foundation. It is the perfect, like, I don't know, the perfect pigmentation. It's beautiful, but it breaks me out. So if you have sensitive skin, what does it have? Titanium dioxide 2.8 and sunscreen. So I don't know, it really clogs my pores is what I'm trying to say. I'm an esthetician, so that sucks. Another favorite of mine is this one. I do like to use it more in the summer. Like both of these I like to use in the summer. This is the Flower Light Illusion Luminous Makeup. It's really pretty. It's super luminous. Like, this one's very dewy, so if you're an oily skin girl, then I'm sorry, it's not for you. But it's really pretty. I tried it and I freaking love it. Like, I went through 3 bottles. So it depends. I really love this one. It's another. Next we have the Wet n Wild foundation. This is the Photo Focus foundation in the shade Bronze Beige. That one's a little darker for me. I don't like the color range in this one, because it doesn't really have like the perfect shade for me, and it doesn't even have 2 shades that I can mix. Some of them are just like too pinky and some are too dark, too yellow. And this one is like the closest I can get to. I do look a little bit darker, so if I'm, for sure in the summer when I'm like really tan, it's really pretty and it really dries down to like a matte finish. So it's really beautiful. Very full coverage, I feel like. But the only thing that I do want to say about this one, it is definitely for like a short wear. This is not a long wearing foundation. Like, this is not a long wearing foundation. Maybe for, I don't know, it just, a few hours pass and it starts to crack and look very disgusting on your face. Like, not gonna lie, I really like this for like filming videos, or if I have somewhere really quick to go that I know I'm not gonna be gone for a long time. But for everyday wear, I would not suggest it. I mean, maybe it's my skin, but I feel like I have pretty regular skin, so I don't know. I just don't like that about that. Next, here's another one I like to use in the winter and the summer, but mainly in the summer. This is the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover, and this is, my shade is 128 Warm Nude, because I do pull more on the yellow side. But it's a squeeze tube, so it's nice. I think it's nice, you know, it's very like hypoallergenic, or how do you say it? It's clean, it's sanitary. But yeah, it comes in a tube. It's very light coverage, definitely for like an everyday quick look. This is like my foundation go-to. And last but not least, this is the new one that I've been wearing, and I'm wearing it right now. I freaking love it. It is a little bit too dark for me, but that's okay, and I have not really kind of done my whole mixing. I want to try out the formula. It dries down really matte. I do have a bunch of makeup over it, so you really can't tell. but it is my now, like, this is my favorite from now on. I'm gonna try to find a lighter shade though, for sure. Like, I went through those really quick. I'm really sorry. Let me know what you guys want to see, what type of videos, so that I can film them for you guys. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The video, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so that it notifies you every time I upload a new video just like this one. And I hope you guys are having a good day.